Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just doing a, making dinner tonight, but I thought I'd, record it because I'm doing something really simple and putting very little effort into, which I don't know if this kind of thing even exists. I may be making a fish hoagie, which I don't know if there is even such a thing. So,
alright,
so
I'm preheating in my oven. What I've got here, I got these beer battered Gordon's fish fillets. Couldn't be any easier to make these. Yes, I know I'm using, I actually prefer to make this with, I actually prefer to make my own fish and chips, but I mean the whole bag was like $3.52, no, $5.82, and I have to put, very little effort, like I said, just a little bit of cooking spray, so the fish doesn't stick. But I'm gonna do 5 of these because there's 10 in a package. So is there 10? I think there's 10. Yeah, so there's 10. So I got 10 of these guys ready to go. All right, and I've also got 2 of these hoagie rolls left from the other days. I did a cast iron cooking video with one of these, and then I made something else with it. I made a steak sandwich with one of these. I actually made the dip sandwich I made twice, and then I made the steak sandwich twice, so I used 4. So today's fish is going to use 1, and then tomorrow's dinner is going to use the other one. Alrighty, so fish is in the oven. I didn't show you the putting it in, but I'll show you when I flip it. I'm going to get myself a Caesar salad. And I saw that Dominic Manischetti put up a new stove video, or a Coleman lantern video, so I'm going to go watch it while I and eat this while I do that. It's been 10 minutes. Let's get this fish out. Now what I want to do is, of course, flip this fish. They're going to stick. And it didn't stick. Woohoo! Well, minimally stuck. Alright. In for another 10. Oh, I guess I could throw a little lemon on there. Won't hurt it. Alright, let's go ahead and prep this bread. I want to warm it up in the oven because it's got a few days on it, so excuse me. Well, it seems taller than when I hack the ends off. I almost want to go. Just not sure how I want to do this. If I cut it this way, that's great. We'll go a little unconventional. Alright. Wait, you know what's stupid about this microwave? I couldn't run the microwave because I had the timer going. That is dumb. That is super stupid. Okay, we gotta hit record. Get the fish out. Immediately set the oven to broil. Now what I'm going to do, well, these things are piping hot. I've got some controversial cheese here. Good old American. I say controversial because it just sounded funny. I'm just kidding. So I can get these right on there. This is not even like the good American. It's like the knockoff American. Alright. I'm gonna melt my butter in the microwave real fast, and I'll bring it back. Stupid microwave. Alright. Basically what I want to make is I want to make garlic bread. It's just, you know, my place is kind of cold, so I want to, which is why I'm always wearing this stretchy, you know, warm shirt. Got some butter on there. Got some garlic. This is the garlic and herb. Fresh garlic would have been better, but like I said, I'm being lazy. And just because I can, a little Parmesan cheese as well. Just to shake things up. And I immediately get this in the oven. Start broiling that top. And it's also going to warm the bread. There we go. And you can see the cheese is already starting to melt. Alright, nice. Washing my bread like a hawk, so it doesn't get overly, you know, it doesn't start burning. But I think it's nearly there already because, you know, 525 degrees. Yeah, it's toasting up pretty nice. There you go. Alright, let's assemble. I got some tartar sauce. Use my buttered spoon to spread it. There we go. Fish. And fish. And fish. And fish. Put that one right. Damn it. Alright. Let's see. Well, I want to cut it. I don't want to bother cutting it. I might just eat it the way it is. So there you go. Fish. Basically a fish stick hoagie, I guess. Alright. So I just put it on a paper towel. Because why not? I really hate that damn smoke detector. It's not bad. The combo of flavors is nice. The fish is, you know, crunchy, beer battered. Alright, well, I threw the paper towel away, but it was pretty good. You know, I mean, it wasn't the most creative thing to make, but still a tasty dinner. Food in the belly. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one.